Tired of constantly switching hoses or struggling with limited water flow? In this video, we're diving into the best garden hose splitters to help you water smarter, not harder. Our channel brings you daily, high-quality reviews to make your product choices easier and more informed. Stick around to find the perfect splitter for your setup. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart picks. Number 1. Biswing Garden 2-Way Brass Hose Splitter. This durably made, two-way splitter is an affordable way to double the duty of a spigot. Despite being one of the more affordable hose splitters we tested, it's very well made with all brass construction and metal ball valves. With a rubberized coating on the tightening nut, we were able to get a firm grip on it when hand tightening it onto a spigot. The valve handles also have a rubber coating that made them easier to grip, though their small size makes them harder to turn than the two-way splitters we tested with larger switches. With its heavy-duty brass construction, which includes brass ball valves, the Biswing splitter feels like it could survive many seasons without leaking. We tested it with a sprinkler and a handheld sprayer and didn't notice any drop in water pressure when using each individually or both together. The valves also effectively cut off the flow of water with no leaks around the tightening nut or from either valve. Number 2. Two-way heavy-duty garden hose splitter. The two-way hose splitter's larger size and ample rubberized coating made it both easy to install and operate. The splitter's valve switches are about twice as long as those of other hose splitters we tested, which made opening and closing the valves easier than with the smaller switches of other splitters we tested. There's also a plastic cuff around the tightening nut that makes it easy to hand tighten the splitter to the spigot. However, we wouldn't attempt to tighten it with pliers, as that could damage it. While we liked the user-friendly design and performance of this splitter, we did have some durability concerns. The two-way splitter is made from zinc, which, though certainly durable, isn't as tough as brass. We also noticed that the ball valves are made of plastic as opposed to metal. While we didn't experience any leaks during testing, we wondered if these plastic parts would hold up as well as splitters with all brass construction and metal ball valves. Number 3. iPow 2-Way Heavy-Duty Y-Valve Garden Hose Splitter. This all-brass garden hose splitter from iPow attaches quickly to standard spigots and hoses. Wide on-off handles make regulating water flow easy and comfortable. iPow built these splitters for use both in the garden and indoors, and each unit comes with 6 rubber washers to create a seal that prevents leaks. Why? Heavy-duty and eco-friendly solid brass construction make the hose connector support up to 0.8 MPa pressure without leakage and last from season to season without rust. Extra 6 rubber washers included to prevent the hose connector from leaking. The handles are coated with a thermoplastic rubber that is easy to grip when adjusting the water flow. A threaded plastic collar secures to the spigot, and brass construction resists corrosion. This dual splitter from iPow represents an excellent combination of functionality and durability. Number 4. Twinkle Star Heavy-Duty Brass Garden Hose Splitter. The Twinkle Star Garden Hose quadruples the service available from a single spigot with a design that's both user-friendly and durable. It splits the spigot into 4 male hose connectors, making it ideal for watering plants and lawns, running irrigation, and even power washing multiple vehicles at a time. The splitter's female hose fitting and switches have a rubberized coating, which allowed us to hand tighten the splitter to the spigot without needing pliers. Though the splitter's valve switches are small, their rubber coatings allowed us to work them even with wet hands. We also like the large on-off labels just above the valves. Along with its solid performance, the Twinkle Star also has excellent build quality, with its brass construction and metal ball valves. This hose splitter has a sturdier feel than other 4-way splitters we tested, which used softer metals and plastic components. It's truly a hose splitter that's built to last. Number 5. Giraffe Tools Garden 2-Way Hose Splitter. Giraffe Tool's brightly colored hose splitter is a good choice for use at the spigot or further down the line to split a single hose into two hoses. The large body, rubberized grip, and plastic cuff around the tightening nut made it easy to install, whether we were attaching it to a spigot or a hose. And with its bright orange color, it was easy to spot in the grass, something we appreciated when using it to split two hoses in the yard to operate both a sprinkler and a handheld sprayer. We also liked the rubber-coated, large valve switches that made turning each valve on and off easier on the fingers than those with smaller switches. Our one concern with the Giraffe Tool splitter is its durability. While we didn't experience any leaks during testing, we wondered how long the zinc alloy body and plastic ball valve would last compared to splitters with brass construction and metal ball valves.